welcome back to the channel. Today I'm really excited to show you something I've been working on, the Requests WebApp. If you've ever struggled to keep track of IT tickets, customer support requests, or even internal operation tasks, you probably know the pain. Messy spreadsheets, endless email chains, or paying a fortune for tools like Jira or Freshdesk. Well, this app is designed as a lightweight, affordable, and super easy to use ticketing solution, built right on top of Google Sheets. Email inboxes are not made for tracking tasks. Spreadsheets are flexible, but quickly get messy. And enterprise tools are often too complex or too expensive for small teams. So I wanted to build something in between. A simple ticket management system the teams can start using in minutes. Let me show you how to use the app. When you enter the app, you'll have the requests sign-in sheet, or screen, You need to enter your email and a password. If I don't have the right password, I won't be able to sign in. As you see, it also checks how many tries you did before it locks you out for a time period. You can also click on forget password and reset your password, get a sign-in code, and create a new password. But I will just log in with a email that's set up. And then you get it inside and you can see your options. It'll show you who you are, welcome Emma, your organization, Excel Highway, and your role. She's a user. And I can create a request or see my requests. So if I click on create a request, then I can select a priority and a category, which of course can be defined. Please install the new software on my computer. Click on submit. And what happens is a new request is added to the system. You can see the number over here. And of course this screen. Now let's go over to my requests. My request will show me all the requests that I previously created under my email. We're going to see the new request that I created now, 21. Please install the new software, and you can see all the information when it was created, the age in days, the status, the agent assigned, everything. And there's also a comment section. Like in this case, I communicated with Jim. He wrote a comment, I wrote a comment back, and everything is tracked in the system. So that's how it looks from a user perspective. Now when you create a new request, the agents will get an email. I'll show you how it looks. Here in the email you can see I assigned this email to be an agent, and you can see I get an email and the request was created by who, etc., etc. Everything here in the email, so you can just go into the system and see that request. Now let's log as a agent. Show you their options. gmail.com. I use this email as an agent for the demo, and apart from a request and my request we saw earlier, they also have an option for agent queue. And in the agent queue they can see tickets that are not closed, that are not assigned, or assigned to them. And I can also use the search. Basically it searches for everything. So you can use it to search any field. And what I can do as an agent, I can change the status, I can assign it to me, I can change the priority, I can add an update, and whenever I make adjustments to the ticket, it will be saved. There, it's refreshed. Now it will be sorted wherever it is. There it is. The reason you see it below is because there's a order here that you can change. Priority, newest, oldest, whatever you want to see. You can see the age changes its color based on defined SLA. That's what you can do as an agent, and the user itself will get an email whenever a request was updated. You can see this is also a email for a user, and you can see which request was updated by who and what was changed, which is very easy for the user to manage this way. The last type of user is the admin. The admin has 2 more buttons on top of all the other buttons we saw before. Oh, sorry, wrote my email wrong. Alright, they have a setup sheet and a screen, so you can see that they can create a new user. They can load the current users, so you can see all of them here, and they can delete them. They can change their role. So that's the whole management of the users. And there's also an admin report. They can see all the requests and what's their status. They can filter, and they can export to CSV. So those are the options that you have to use the system. So why use this instead of something else? It's affordable. Instead of paying $20 to $40 per user per month, there's a flat pricing for your whole team. Easy to adopt. There's no big onboarding, no steep learning curve. It can be customizable because it's based on a Google Sheet, so possible customization is available and can be discussed. Scalable, works whether you're a solo freelancer managing requests or a small IT team handling dozens of tickets per day. The system can be used for helping IT help desks, marketing agencies managing client tasks, and even HR departments logging employee requests. Basically, if you got tasks coming in with multiple agents that need to process them, this app can really help. Right now, I'm opening early access. That means that if you join the list today, you'll get early bird pricing, priority support, and the chance to influence on new features before public launch. So if you've been looking for a lightweight alternative to Jira or Freshdesk, now's the best time to try it. Just head over to the link in the description. You'll find a landing page where you can sign up for early access. No spam, just updates and an invite when you're ready. I can't wait to hear your feedback and see how you'll use the Requests WebApp in your own team. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe. I'll be posting more tutorials and updates on tools to help you manage work smarter. See you in the next one.